Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make chicken curry in coconut milk, which is also known as chicken korma. So let's get started.
I've got here 2 kilos of chicken drumstick, which I have cut into small pieces, removed all the skin and rinsed it well. You can use any part of the chicken for this recipe. 5 cups of hot water, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 2 sprigs of roughly chopped curry leaves, 3 tablespoons of curry powder. I'm using homemade curry powder. If you want to know how to make curry powder, I'll put a link below. 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic and chili paste, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of paprika for color, this is totally optional, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Take a pan, put it on medium heat, add oil and heat it. When the oil gets hot, add onions, curry leaves, cumin and mustard seeds, and ginger, garlic and chili paste. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions get a light brown color. Add chicken pieces, 1 teaspoon of salt, curry powder, turmeric, paprika and tomatoes. Give it a good mix. Put a lid on and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring it once during cooking. After 5 minutes, add hot water. Give it a mix. Put the lid on and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, give it a mix. Put the lid back on, leaving a small gap. Lower the heat and cook it for 15 minutes, stirring it twice during cooking. After 15 minutes, give it a mix again and taste your salt. You can always add salt according to your taste. Add coconut milk. Mix it well. Put the lid back on, leaving a small gap and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt again. It doesn't need any more salt. Turn the heat off and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. I'm using frozen coriander leaves. If you want to know how to freeze coriander leaves, I'll put a link below. My curry is ready. Let me dish it out and show you. My chicken korma or chicken curry in coconut milk is ready. You can serve it with roti or rice. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.